Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be talking about the altcoin called E2XR. Now if you guys are looking for a token that is a quick pump and dump, this one is not for you. But if you're looking for a long-term investment which is going to 100% pay back, this is the project for you. This is going to be introducing a lot of products into the metaverse, and you know, in the near future, metaverse is about to become something big, and this project is doing some crazy things. Before we get into it, if you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with crypto, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It will help me and you as the YouTube algorithm will push the video to more people. More people see the incredible side of E2XR. They decide to buy into it, start spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. By the way, starting off, first of all, just look at the website. The design is so nice, and at the same time, this token is going to be on the Avalanche network, and it is still in the pre-sale. It has not been launched publicly yet, and once it is released, it is going to have a huge impact. Now this is the idea behind this project: unleash your products. So you know, metaverse is getting bigger and bigger as they go forward. What this project is going to help every single company that wants to put their project into metaverse. They will be putting it in Web 3.0, they will be putting it in metaverse, putting it into a store, and also a moving object, which is really insane. There is just so much they can do to actually help any project grow into a bigger and better product. Now if you decide to look at how it works, it will give you a better idea. So a publisher or the agency will be requesting to push their product into the virtual world. There's 4 things that can happen. They can have an ERP with the product, they can collect the data for the 3D assets, they already have the 3D assets, or they need to build and create a 3D asset. Now if they do decide to collect it, obviously they already have everything, so the pictures or the 3D scan will be there, and then they would have to have the plugins and also the Shopify and everything done. After that, the asset manager will help them make it better. It will be put on the marketplace, and then it will be done to the web AR, metaverse VR, 3D, Web 3D, and Web 360, and it will be public and partners metaverse. For user utility, it is obviously going to be community, stacking, vesting, voting. The more you hold, obviously the more impact you will have on the whole of the ecosystem. And personally, I just love the idea of they're trying to make everything into a community base, and at the same time help some smaller businesses become bigger. So there are going to be 4 key roles. First of all, publisher, who would want their product into the VR and also the metaverse. The agency, these agencies are that use the platform to manage the needs of their customers. The builder, who's going to be the 3D content creator, and finally the user. They involved in the offered space and try to produce and give their opinion, or try the products and give their opinion. If you decide to look at the tokenomics, which I know a lot of you guys want to see, max supply is going to be 400 million. Initial market cap when it will be released will be 740k, which is very small for the size of the project. And also the allocation will be 15% to the team. They are also going to be having a huge chunk that will be going into marketing, which is close to 9%. 20% will be private round, and 8% will be seed round. Sales and app, there is so much happening. Also, if you decide to look at the roadmap, you can see the seed round has come to an end, and right now we are on the private round. After that, there will be public round. Audits will be put out, then the staking phase 1 will start, airdrops when the listing will be done, and then the closed beta will come out. And as you can see, they have some insane plans just before the end of 2022. And in 2023, they also want to push marketing, and you guys know most of the crypto project make or break from the marketing, and they have a huge chunk that will be gone to the marketing to help the whole of the system work. Also, the team has been DDoXed, and you can see it is a huge team. They have up to 25 people working on it right now, and as it moves forward, it is obviously going to get bigger and better. Also, they have some advisors that help the project become better, as they will be trying to help it grow in a bigger, significant amount. They have big partners such as Region Sud. They are all French companies because initially E2 E2XR is a French project, and at the bottom you can actually participate in the private sale right now. As I mentioned, the private sale is going to be huge as a lot of people are going to be trying to get into it. Now if you decide to look at this, in the near future we anticipate more brands stepping in to break boundaries between virtual and reality, and 25% in the next 5 years will be playing Metaverse and spending 1 hour a day inside of there. And that's why they came up with this idea, trying to put the real world products or just any products into the metaverse. And if companies like Tesla or anything that is big wants to get into the metaverse, this company will be the middleman, and you know that is going to have a huge impact as the e-commerce. There is so many big industries that are still not in the metaverse. If you decide to look at the white paper, it is really well built. Personally, I was trying to scroll through it, but it was lagging so hard because it's just so much and so much design into it rather than just random white paper that people don't like to read. This one was very clear and easy to read, and at the same time fun to read, as it is something, you know, in the books you want to read books with bigger handwriting rather than the smaller one. The smaller one just doesn't look attractive. This one looks very attractive. If you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with this project, I recommend you follow their Twitter page. They already have a huge following right now. I personally think this is really good, as they have close to 3,000 followers even though they are just recently released company. They're still in the private sale phase and having such a good following, because I personally have seen some companies that have close to like 15,000 or projects having 15,000 followers, but you can see from the likes that they are pretty fake. But in this one you can see that the likes are pretty well matched with their following, showing that their followers are not fake, and that's a good sign. Now also another thing to stay up to date with everything is following their Medium. They are keeping it very up to date. The last one was private sale, how to participate. If you do want to know, it's really simple. You simply just need to go to their website and click on private sale. By the way, I just want to mention something important. Follow their Telegram. If you want to stay up to date with everything, it is very important to follow their Telegram. And finally, I just want to show you guys how to actually participate in the private sale before it does go public. The easiest way to do it is simply click the participate private on the right top. You will be taken all the way on the bottom of the site. Then you guys just need to click on buy now. When you do click buy now, you will be taken onto this side, and you can see that there will be a private sale for the next 28 days. And you can go ahead and create your account, which says register here, and then you guys will have the option to deposit your crypto. Once you deposit it, you will be able to just go ahead and purchase your E2XR token. Now, what do I think about this project? I think they have a really nice idea behind the concept of what they're trying to do, and in the long term they're gonna do pretty well. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel and you do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.